Hello everyone, today we have the 1994 Hess truck. As you can see here, it is a rescue truck. Here's the front of the truck, and here's the back of the truck. And now let's get it open. This part of the box is a little bit open. And if we pull this out, here's the truck. It's smaller than I remembered, to be honest, but you need to adjust the windows, adjust both windows. It's honestly better than I remembered. Let's see if there's any lights. Nope, lights are not working. But here we have the rear plate, and also these, like, you pull these down, these are stabilizers for the truck. Really neat that they put that in there. Here's the ladder. Ladder is pretty good. It's also got some details to the ladder right here. And go down. And you get to also see the inside of it too. They don't show that on the front of the box, obviously. But anyways, make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.